you've heard about and seen this fun trend called Bible journaling, but the problem is you're not an artist. Hello, me too. I'm Asheritah from onethingalone.com, and I do not have an artistic bone in my body. Like, seriously, I think my 4-year-old can probably draw stick figures better than me at this point. And it's a little embarrassing, especially since my husband is an artist. He makes beautiful artwork. That's part of how he wooed me when we were dating. But I've seen this Bible journaling trend, and I kind of wish, I wish I could do that too. Like, it looks so pretty. You see the Pinterest images and the Instagram images, and oh, I wish I could Bible journal like that. But when I actually sat down to do it, it looked nothing like I imagined. So I embarked on a journey the last few months to learn how to Bible journal as a non-artist. And I've discovered some tips that I'm going to share with you today that I hope are helpful for you as well. Part of this is that we have the Flourish Bible Journaling Conference going on right now that I would love for you to sign up for. There's a link in the description of this video. Just go to onethingalone.com/flourish, and you get to enjoy a 5-day online conference absolutely free, 20 speakers talking about different topics on Bible journaling. But I felt like there was this white elephant in the room when I told my readers about it, because some of us just don't feel artistic. So that's why today's video are 3 tips for Bible journaling for non-artists like me. Okay, are you ready? The first one is to test different techniques. And I'm going to show you just a few pages in my Bible, not very much. Because it's, like I said, it's kind of embarrassing. I'm not artistic. It doesn't look anything like probably some of the things you're used to seeing on Pinterest. But I started out just with some washi tape in the corner, and then journaling what I'm learning about God, what I want, how I want to respond to Him in worship and adoration. And so just a fun little feature there in the corner, kind of to get my feet wet. Another time I put a little, taking these sticky notes off, I put a little star sticker on the side, and using different colored markers to draw with or to highlight the text, and then again writing, what does this text tell me about God, or how do I want to respond to Him? Just makes it a little bit more fun. Now, I had been doing things like this, well, like underlining and writing in the margins of my Bible since I was in junior high, but I never considered it technically Bible journaling because it wasn't so pretty and artistic. Because like I already said, I can hardly draw stick figures. Give me like a thumbs up if you're there with me. If you're like, I am not artistic, I cannot communicate from my brain to my hand what I'm trying to draw. If that's the case, you're not alone. So I discovered on Pinterest, and here's, this first tip is to try different techniques. There are traceables. Like, you can actually download. Some of them are for free, some of them you can purchase if